thought that I had left it. So I went to Nairobi. I knew that I had carried it. When I looked for it at home, I did not find it. So I thought that I had maybe left it here in Mombasa. I've come back and it's still not here, and I was so sure that I had carried it. So I think that it must have gotten lost somewhere along the road. And at some point when I was getting home, I found some part of my bag open. So either it's dropped or someone has picked it. I'm so sad because my mom bought me that tripod, but anyway, we're going to get another one. Just wanted to show you guys my latest purchase. I've gotten a blender. Normally we are given vouchers as a gift at the end of the year. It's not much money. It's not oh, I'm really suffering, guys. I'm sorry. Normally we are given vouchers every year for the holidays. I usually try to do something worth remembering it with. The last time they gave me the voucher last year is the money that I topped up to get my fridge. So this time I've bought what is it called? A blender. I've gotten a blender finally. I'm so excited. I went with Vaughan because it was affordable, and I saw that it had both the miller and the grinder. Is it? Wait, mill and chopper. See God, see how we're starting 24. So where do I start? Here's how it looks. The down part. Here's the jug. Yep, how many liters? 1.5, enough for me. There's this part, so it's between the either the miller or the chopper. Hope you can still see me. Either the miller or the chopper. So I'm gonna find out those. I just wanted to show you guys this purchase. The cost was 5,400, around that price. So yeah, I had a 2,500 voucher and I topped up the rest.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. You can get away from chase these rules and every day. All I wanna hear is an episode I replay. Sitting right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish away. Really, really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sitting right next to you.
Makeup, Papa. Very high shadow.
Come through, I think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My heart from my rocket.
Usiguse tafadhali. Makes sense why. Black Lives Matter. What was the lady? Saturday. So these days I'm off on weekends only. So like I work like a 9 to 5, 8 to 5, basically 9 to 6. Honestly, I'm so tired. It's been quite a long week for me. So wow, look at my house. It's been quite a long week for me. I'd rather just sit in and lazy in. But I know that next week is also going to be quite heavy, quite tough. So in order for me to have an easy week, I really have to go shopping so that I can have food in the house and the essentials like nyanya, waru. So that's what I'm going to buy. And also I've never bought any clothes here in Mombasa, so I'm going to try and see whether I can find clothes that I can buy. Hopefully I'll be able to find, but yeah, my hand inaumia, so let's go. Watching, and after 2 days later, before I end the Merry Christmas to each and every one of you here. I knew that we would come again. I testify for you. I wanna show you all. I wanna show you all. I'm trying not to be a lazy vlogger. You see the way I gave you guys an update in the morning that I'm going shopping for groceries. I came back and I wanted to vlog so bad, but I've been so tired of late. So tired. I have a new routine which I'm trying to get used to, but it's quite, I'll get there soon. So I came back and I ordered in KFC, which is, you can see it there KFC for lunch, and ate and slept. I think I'm going to make chapati tonight, and my chapati has, apart from the shape, I have nimeanza kuwa mzuri. I've started getting good at it, so I might vlog that. One thing also, when I was going shopping today, I don't know if I mentioned, but I wanted to buy clothes, since I've been buying clothes from Nairobi, but I feel like it's going to be a while until niende Nairobi tena. So I wanted to show you guys the clothes that I've gotten. I've gotten a plug here in Mombasa, and he's a really nice chill man and quite affordable. So I have his number actually, so if you're interested, if you see anything that you like and you're in Mombasa, just let me know. Let me show you guys first of all the pants. So I got these mommy jeans. There's a small rip hapa, and I've gotten these corduroy pants, these ones. They're also really cute. This is not my style, like, okay, the design and the size is my style, but I feel like, I think I've seen Maggie with something similar, so I just wanted to buy it because it's something different. Like, you see these jeans that nimenunua, I have so many of these pants. Unaweza fikiria narudianga pants daily, and I have like, how many of these? So many. He color blue. So I've gotten something different, at least for once. Next month I might save so that I can go buy more. And the reason I went there, the main reason, I wanted to buy tops. Sina tops, my tops, like 90% of the tops that you see me with, nimechukua kwa Margaret. Like, Maggie is my plug, like ananunua, then mi naenda nachukua. The first one, okay, the first bad mistake. Okay, so I got this top. You can see it. I don't know, it's cream in color. It looks white on camera. Then kuna haka kashimo. So I thought that this goes at the back, but this should be in the front, and I'm not one to show my boobs, so sijui tutapeleka wapi, ama I'll just wear it the other way hivi. Who will know? It's red one. Yep, just my style. Crop, a bit tight. That's usually my style. This one is sijui green ama ni blue, but this one also really cute. This is one of my favorites, and it's different, like it's not neutral colors like what I'm used to. So this is one of my favorites. It's bluish, greenish. This is also one of my favorites. I love hip print. Yeah, I love this print. Yep. So this is also one of my favorites, my style totally. So yep. And next up, I was not supposed to get this one, but I just decided to because it's pink and it's different from everything I have. So it's one of my favorites. Also is this top, the same pattern here, round lines. So also another one. Nimenunua tops, guys. And this one also, it's white in color, also crop. Okay, it's crop but like inafika kwa waist, so it's white in color, but when nimefika ndo nimenotice there's some dirt. Okay, is this the inside or the outside? Okay, there's some, it's black. Hapa kuna uchafu yeah, black, but okay, I'll make do. Another one is this one, also he print here heavy. I really love he print. So this is my dough yenye nimekanda. Then I have my beans hapa yenye iko frozen. Usually meal prep like 1.5 or 2 weeks back. But I still have it. So have my beans, my dough, tanipike chapo, and I'll eat with this.
I love you like the sunshine in the morning when I'm yawning, like the scent of love ukipika chai ya majani na mandazi. Such a lovely way to start my day. We getting high as I make you call my name. Tukisikiza ngoma za Bob Marley. Napenda vile una smile usisare. Nipatie zeze nikuimbie. I wrote a song na nataka usikie. If you let me sing for you. 'Cause darling, darling, I will sing your favorite song. Because I'm feeling lucky to have you dance along. Oh baby, darling, darling, I will sing your favorite song. Because I'm feeling lucky to have you dance along to your favorite song, baby. Your favorite song, baby. To your favorite song, my love. Your favorite song, oh yeah, yeah. To your favorite song, my love. Your favorite song, baby. To your favorite song, oh love. Your favorite song, yeah. So love me to your favorite song.
So let me take you out, treat you like a king. The sun is out to bless your melanin. To Wingy town, I will show you around. Baby, slow down, let me show you to my world. Yeah. Such a lovely day with my baby. Many just love is what I'm feeling. A blessed day when you came my way. And I promise kuwa nitakuenzi. Baby, time imefika for 20. And I can see you right to my senses. So won't you let me sing for you? 'Cause darling, darling, I will sing your favorite song. Because I'm feeling lucky to have you dance along. Oh love, darling, darling, I will sing your favorite song. Yeah. Because I'm feeling lucky to have you dance along to your favorite song, baby. Your favorite song. To your favorite song, my love. Your favorite song. To your favorite song. Your favorite song. To your favorite song, my love. Favorite song. So love me to your favorite song.
Favorite song.
My favorite song.
You're my favorite
You're my favorite
bomb.
bomb.
You're my favorite song. My favorite song. And I'm feeling lucky. So damn lucky. Yes, I'm feeling lucky
To have you dance along.
Thank
to
you.
your favorite song, baby. Your favorite song. And to your favorite song, my love. Your favorite song, yeah. You're my favorite song, oh girl. Your favorite song, baby. Do your favorite song, oh yeah, yeah. Your favorite song.